welcome to the students. Today Sandhya Bhagini is off, so I'm taking the practice session. Let me begin with the Prarthana. Gurureva gatihi gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. So I'm sharing the screen with the, okay, sharing is done. Okay. I request the, I can take each one of you to chant the shlokas, starting from, I think, one, the first, not leaving alone the dhyana shlokas. We will start from the first one. So Bhagini told me that 1 to 54 are the ones which have been done, and she wanted me to start from the first shloka. I can take the participants one by one. I think we'll have to promote them to the panelist. I'll call the names. Please keep raise hands. When you are called, then you can come and unmute yourself and then recite, or I think I can allow to talk to. Okay, so this option is there. It's long time that I used a webinar. I'm sorry. So okay, let me put my camera on. I think, yeah, now you're able to see me, right? Astu. So I'll call Subramanian Krishnan ji. You can chant the first shloka.
ओम श्री मात्रे नमः। ओम श्री माता श्री महाराज्ञी श्रीमत् सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुंड संभूता देवकार्य समुद्यता
Samudyata the.
समुद्यता
Not the. Samudya the.
समुद्य
Correct.
समुद्यता।
Correct. Good.
Thank you.
Radhika ji.
Hi, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Udyadbhanu sahasrabha chaturbahu samanvita ragaswarupa pashadhya krodhakarankushojjvala.
Very nice. No corrections. So once you recite, you can mute yourself. Varun ji.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदंड पंचतन्मात्र सायक निजारुण प्रभापूर मज्जद ब्रह्मांड मंडला.
Okay, sir. Two places. Nijaruna Prabha Napra. There it is called Samyoga Purva Guru. So we should be careful about that. Okay, you said Nijaruna Prabha. It should be Nijaruna Prabha. Okay, that is one thing.
निजारुण प्रभापूर
See, 1 minute.
मज्जद ब्रह्मांड मंडला.
Varun ji,
Now is it
Varun.
okay?
No.
Is it clear now?
No, not clear. Please listen. Napra. So close your lips to get to the pa. Napra.
Yes, Bhagini, I'll practice. Thank you.
Okay. Then the second mistake is Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. There, Brahmanda. There it was not clear. Okay, practice.
Thank you.
Please don't mind for my corrections. Okay, I hope you all enjoy.
No problem. It is a duty. Thank you, Bhagini.
Then Rajashri Venkateshan ji. Same shloka you can recite.
Third one, no. Can you hear me?
Yes. No, not, yeah, this one only. The third one, yes.
Third one. Manorupeshu kodhanda panchatanmatra sayaka nijaruna prabhapura majjat brahmanda mandala.
Second line is okay. Here, Manorupekshu. Ka should be a little more powerful. I heard it like Rupeshu kind of. Rupekshu, kshu, strong.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्ड
Okay, and then da should be
पञ्चतन्मात्रसायक
it's da. Kodanda.
कोदण्ड मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्ड पञ्चतन्मात्रसायक निजारुणप्रभापूर मज्जत्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला
Correct. Very good. Very good. Nice.
Thank you.
Namastu. Next, let me call Annapurnaji. Fourth shloka.
चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणीकनत्कोटीरमण्डिता
Very good. Very correct. Yes. Pavitraji.
अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजदलिकस्थलशोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषका
Very good. Very good. Here Sha and Sha came like together. So there we should try to show the difference if possible. Okay. We Indians don't usually make the difference. Okay.
Right,
Let me
right.
show how it is. Visheshaka, Visheshaka, kind of. Sha a little like cup-like tongue.
विशेषका.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Next, Tejas ji.
वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मीपरिवाहचलन्मीनाभलोचना
Almost good. Here at Griha, okay, Griha, you said Gruha, okay. South Indians say like that, and North Indians say Griha. Both are wrong. It should be Griha, gr. See, if it is like Guha, Guha and Gruha, if you say, what is the difference? Nothing. So Guha, U, Griha, gr.
Gr.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arati Ajay ji.
नमस्कार भगिनी नवचम्पकपुष्पाभ नासादण्डविराजिता ताराकान्तितिरस्कारी नासाभरणभासुरा
Very beautiful. Pushpabha, not Pushpabha.
Okay.
No. Okay. So, open your mouth fully. Samskrita is open mouth bhasha. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
That's good. Sangeeta ji.
नमस्ते मैम
Namaste. Yeah.
कदम्बमञ्जरी क्लुप्तकर्णपूरमनोहरा ताटङ्कयुगलीभूततपोनोडुपमण्डला.
Can you try one more time? I'll tell you two corrections. One
Okay.
is not that long. E should not be that long. And
Okay.
then Bhuta is like Hraswa only. Okay. No, sorry, Tapa. Pa is Hraswa. So try one more.
कदम्बमञ्जरी क्लुप्तकर्णपूरमनोहरा ताटङ्कयुगलीभूततपनोडुपमण्डला.
Excellent. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sahiti Challaji.
नमस्ते मैम
Namaste.
पद्मरागशिलादर्श परिभाविकपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्री न्यक्कारीरधनच्छदा.
Two places. Vidruma, Bimba, Ba should not be aspirated. Light, it got aspirated. And not Nyakkari, but Nyakkari Radana. Re is short.
Okay
So,
मैम.
this line one more time. Second line.
नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्री न्यक्कारीरदनच्छदा
न्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा
नक्कारीरदनच्छदा
read rira
Nak-
rira, that's all. Nyakkarira rira.
नक्कारीरदनच्छदा
Again.
नक्कारीरदनच्छदा
So your the, ba and ka are getting a little aspirated. Little.
Okay, ma'am.
Have control on that.
Okay.
Astu. Next. Mekhalaji. You can read the same shloka.
राम 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 पद्मरागशिलादर्श परिभाविकपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा
Correct. Correct. Perfect. Next. Shashidharji.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, very clear.
Shuddha Vidyankuraakara Dvijapangtidvayojjvala Karpura Vitikamoda Samakarshi Digantara.
Tama karshidi, that's all, not karshidi or something. Don't press there, okay? There are two pathas here. Maybe your teacher has told you. It is sama karshad digantara. There you have to press because karshat diga. So here it is not. It is sama karshi digantara. So we should read it very plainly, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good, nice, well read. And a little like your pronunciation is very good, already good. I'll tell you one small technique to improve it. Okay. When you said karpura, they said karpura. Press the pa a little more. Karpura. It will look so beautiful.
Karpura. Yeah. Karpura. Yeah. Okay. Karpura.
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 As if there are double pa. Okay, like that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Next, Lakshmi ji. Lakshmi Bhagini. Ram Ram.
निज सल्लाप माधुर्य विनिर्भसित कच्छपि मंदस्मित प्रभापुर मज्जत कामेश मानसा.
Very good. One more time, slower, a little slower. Can you read again?
निज सल्लाप माधुर्य विनिर्भसित कच्छपि मंदस्मित प्रभापुर मज्जत कामेश मानसा.
3 places. Vinir-bharsita, bhartsita. The ta should be audible clearly. Madhurya, dha should be a mahaprana. And prabhapura, this should be mahaprana. Okay, so practice well a little more of these aspects. So, Nishant Singh ji, you can read the same verse.
श्री मात्रे नमः. निज सल्लाप माधुर्य विनिर्भर्सित कच्छपि मंदस्मित प्रभापुर मज्जत कामेश मानसा.
Okay, so there are two aspects I want to tell you. It's all like very, very common things only, not very serious. That should be open your mouth and say like nija sanlapa this shape you remember. Okay, you practice with
Okay.
that. Then the
Thank
second
you.
aspect is this part. Smita prabha, not smita prabha, but smita prabha. Okay, that is
Vidwan.
this one, smita prabha.
Okay.
It is called
Thank you.
Samyoga. Astu. Then Vijiji. Same shloka.
Yes, ma'am. Hari Om, ma'am.
Hari Om.
अनाकलित सादृश्य चिंबुक श्री विराजित.
Nija sanlapa.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry. निज सल्लाप माधुर्य विनिर्भर्सित भर्सित कच्छपि मन्दस्मितप्रभापूर मज्जत्कामेशमानसा
माधुर्य
माधुर्य okay
and भर्त्सिता भर्त्सिता
विनिर्भर्सितकच्छपि
कच्छपि no not second time correct kachhapi. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So next Meenakshi Verma ji. 12th shloka. Hariyo? Okay. Nalin ji.
Namaste, ma'am.
Meenakshi ji. Yes, you are now audible. Yes.
अनाकलित सादृश्य चिबुक श्री विराजिता कामेश बद्ध मांगल्य सूत्र शोभित कंधरा.
Okay, the akara. Okay, corrected the akara. All open the mouth. Stand before the mirror. Stand before the mirror and say Anakalita Sadrishya Chibuka Shri Virajita. Look at your mouth and say every shloka like this you practice. Okay?
Okay,
Then the
ma'am.
akara will
Thank
be
you so
correct.
much. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Next. Mugdha ji. Yeah.
Which one, ma'am?
This one, 13th one.
Okay. कनकांगद केयूर कमनीय भुजान्विता रत्नग्रैवेय रचिंता कलोल मुक्ता फलान्विता.
What is this?
Pardon me, ma'am.
What is this letter? I'm putting it on the screen.
Kaangadakeyoorakamaniyabhujanvita.
Ji, one moment. Mugdha ji.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this sound? What is this letter?
F.
No.
Then?
Is it a fa? There is a fa in
only,
Sanskrit.
Uh-huh.
Where did you learn?
Ma'am, I am from Maharashtra. We call it fa only.
No, it's not fa. There is no fa in Sanskritam at all. Why are you in class then? You are in class to learn, right? What did the teacher say? Did she say fa?
Okay, it's not fa. Then it's what is called it? I don't know, ma'am. Please
I
tell
will
me.
tell you a technique how to tell. You yourself will tell. Like का के बगल में क्या है? का के बगल में खा है. चा के बगल में same with the same place we say it with महाप्राणा. छा. जा के बगल में झा. ठीक है? ता के बगल में था. वैसे पा के बगल में क्या होगा?
फ.
पा कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं आप?
फ.
पा
From
का
ओष्ठ.
ओष्ठ. तो फिर फा जब बोल रहे हैं तब ओष्ठ आ रहे हैं क्या? जब आपने
No.
फा बोला तो फिर ओष्ठ को ही और दबा के महाप्राण निकालिए. मैं बताती हूँ, सुनिए. हा.
फा.
हा.
फा.
तो ये फलान्विता नहीं है, हलान्विता है. ठीक है?
Okay, I'll try, ma'am.
Please. Wherever you look for this letter comes, put it with red highlighter. Okay, red highlighter, and say pha 100 times before that to send away that fa from your sound vocabulary. Okay, from the sound bank, send away that fa, throw away that fa. Even if possible, हिंदी में भी सब आप फा बोलिए. ठीक है? फलाना मत बोलिए, फलाना बोलिए. ठीक है? फालतू मत बोलिए, फालतू बोलिए. Wherever you find Hindi words with fa, say pha. Then only this Sanskrit will get the right sound. Okay? Okay. Good. और आपका आकार भी प्लीज उस पर भी थोड़ा वर्क कीजिए, जैसे अभी पहले बताया था ना. So please work on that also.
Okay.
Okay. So the same shloka I will ask Sandhya ji. No, Satyaji. So please read the same shloka.
कनकाङ्गदकेयूरकमनीयभुजान्विता रत्नग्रैवेयचिन्ताकलोलमुक्ता फलान्विता
Phalanvita, just now explained.
pha
But that only I'm making you read again.
yeah रत्नग्रैवेयचिन्ताकलोलमुक्ता फलान्विता
Even more strong. Not you said pha. But lighter you said. Strong.
रत्नग्रैवेयचिन्ताकलोलमुक्ता फलान्विता
Strong. Very nice. Okay. So the chai should be very strong for us, na? If it is lighter, the coffee, especially people say, oh, this is so fika hai. है ना वैसा ही strong रहना बिल्कुल.
Thank
should
you.
be able to hear it strongly. Good. Astu. Next we'll call Vishalakshi ji.
Namaste,
Okay.
Bhagini. Namaste, Bhagini. कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्नमणि प्रतिपनस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमालिलथा फलकुचद्वयी.
Here the Mahaprana and Alpaprana got a little confused. So please read this part, second line again, slower.
नाभ्यालवाल रोमालिलथा फलकुचद्वयी.
Lata Phalakuchadvayi.
लता फलकुचद्वयी.
Ta is getting still aspirated. Please take care of that.
Okay.
Will come by practice. Next. Reshma ji. Same shloka, please.
कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्नमणि प्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमालिलता फलकुचद्वयी.
You are saying it very good, but a little kind of thing is coming in the place of a. Okay, it's not fault, almost good. To make it perfect, I am telling you a tip. Say la. Okay, not la, lata, no, lata, very subtle. Okay, practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, so, then, okay. Geeta ji. Next shloka.
Hare Krishna. लक्ष्यरोमलताधारता समुन्नेय मध्यमा स्तनभारदलन्मध्यपट्टबन्धवलित्रया.
Okay, right.
धन्यवाद.
See, somebody named iPhone is raising hand. What to call them? Please rename yourself unless I will not call. There are 2 iPhones. Please rename yourself. Check your names where they are and then you are renaming. Then Krishna Priya ji. Next shloka.
अरुणारुणकौसुम्भवस्त्रभास्वत्कडीतटी रत्नकिङ्गिणिकारम्यरशनाथामभूषिता.
Lot of places correction is needed. Okay. So the Mahapranas, the ta becoming da and the da becoming something else. So please concentrate on that. Okay. Nitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
अरुणारुणकौसुम्भवस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्यरशनादामभूषिता.
One more time.
अरुणारुणकौसुम्भवस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्यरशनादामभूषिता.
Okay. Don't get confused. You are reading very good. Okay, perfect. Nice. Shubhamastu. Naveen Natarajan ji.
Om Sri Matre Namah. Can you hear me?
Yes, audible.
कामेशज्ञाद सौभाग्यमार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमुकुटाकारजानुद्वयविराजिता.
Very good. Only one mistake. Jnata Saubhagya. There's something went wrong. Okay.
कामेशज्ञात सौभाग्य.
Right.
Thank you.
Nice. Sita Shekhar ji. Next shloka.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Indragopa parikshipta smaraturnabhajangika gudagulpa kurma prishta jayishnu prapadanvita.
Can you try one more time for the Mahapranas? All Mahapranas are so nicely colored. You should concentrate on that. Yeah.
Okay. Indragopa parikshipta smaraturnabhajangika vadana Jayishnu Prapadanvita.
Both the times I could not hear what you said here because of the connectivity issues, but no problem. You have lot of things to practice. Okay. Yeah. No, it's getting cut. Ram.
Okay.
It's getting cut in between. So please don't worry about it. You practice in these. I have colored this now, underlined this now. So these areas are the notice areas. So you have to concentrate on that. I think you all have practice audios, right? So that's why this will help you. So you can just mark it in your text and practice. That's all.
Thank
you. So, Meena ji. Same shloka.
Indragopa parikshipta smaratuna bhajangika guda gulpha kurma prishta jayishnu prapadanvita.
Almost correct. Just jangika ga. Gha should be powerful. And gudha. Gudha. Okay.
Gudha gulpha kurma prishta jayishnu prapadanvita.
Kurma Prishtha also. All Mahapranas. Please practice all the Mahapranas again.
Okay. Thank you. Pranam Guruji.
Next. Anuradha ji.
Hello, ma'am.
Hariam.
The same one?
Yes, the same one, please. Yeah.
Indragopa parikshipta smaratuna bhajangika gudha gulpha kurma prishta jayishnu prapadanvita.
Very nice, very beautiful. Correct. Good. So this is Vinodavartini.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes. Yes.
Same one?
No, next one. Nakhadevi.
Nakatitita sanjanna namanjana tamoguna padatvaya prabhajala parakruta saruruha.
You need a lot of practice with Mahaprana. So one more time, please read the starting.
Nakatitita sanjanna namanjana tamoguna padatvaya prabhajala parakruta saruruha.
Second line is good. Okay, second line is good. First line you need lot of practice. So it is Dhiti. Okay, Dhiti.
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 See, DH. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. I will correct it. Thanks.
Rajeshwari ji. Same shloka.
Good evening, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, Shubha. Yeah.
Okay.
नखदीधिति सञ्चन्न नमज्जनतमो गुणा पदद्वय प्रभाजालपराकृतसरोरुहा.
Right, correct. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sachin ji.
Hello, ma'am.
Sachin. Yes, yes.
Same shloka?
Same. Yes, I have changed the slide. 20th.
Oh. Sinjanamanimanjir Mandita Sripadambuja Marali Mandagamana Mahalavanya Shevadhi.
So the dirghas and rasvas have issues with you. Can you try one more time?
Sinjanamanimanjir Mandita Sripadambuja.
नहीं, मंडित नहीं है.
Mandit.
मंडित श्री
Padambuja.
हाँ.
Sinjanamanimanjir मंडित श्रीपान
नहीं, आप सुनिए. नेक्स्ट में बुलाती हूँ. नहीं, आपको बहुत सुधारने की आवश्यकता है. आपको बहुत अभ्यास की आवश्यकता है. ठीक है. तो आप क्या कीजिएगा, आप टेक्स्ट लीजिए. ठीक है. हाइलाइटर लीजिए, ऑडियो चलाइए. ठीक है. साथ में बोलने का प्रयास कीजिए. जहाँ मैच नहीं हो रहा है वहाँ हाईलाइट कर लीजिए, फिर वहां पर धीरे से चलाइए ऑडियो को, फिर एक एक लेटर को आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. ठीक है.
ओके. थैंक यू मैम.
शुभमस्तु. राजश्री वेंकटेशम जी. This shloka 20th.
जानमणि मंजीर मंडित स्त्रीपदाम्बुजा मराळी मंदगमना महालावण्य सेवतिः.
All these places you need to concentrate. First point, it is not Sri, it is Shri. Okay. Then Padambuja. Ja should be more clear. Marali, not Marali. Marali. Okay. Very clear. La. Dantya. Then not Sevadhi, but She. Shevadhi. And not Dihi, but Thihi. Okay. So have some more breath. Mahapranas need more breath. So we have to do a lot of exercise for like pranayamas, etc. for Mahapranas to come clearly. Okay.
Okay.
Then let me call Bharati Kumar ji. Same shloka.
श्रीमात्रे नमः. सिञ्ஞानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डित श्रीपदाम्बुजा मराळी मन्दगमना महालावण्यशेवदिः.
Okay, so 3 places. Shinjana, Shinja, Shin. Okay, that sound went wrong.
Okay.
Then Marali, you said it as a la. It should be Leela.
Okay, Marali. Okay.
Marali. Okay, that's all.
Marali.
And then Shevadhihi, dha.
Shevadhihi.
Shevadhihi, thihi.
Shevadhihi. Yeah. Okay.
Ramaswamy ji, same shloka, please.
Sinjanamanimanjiramanditashripadaambuja Marali Mandaghamana Mahalavanya Shevadihi.
Okay, Thihi. Okay, this Mahaprana and Manditashri, not da. Okay, Manditashri.
Mandidasripadambuja.
Mandita.
Mandidasripadambuja.
Please practice. It is ta. Okay, ta. Ta for Telugu. Ta. Tamila. Ta. Okay, ta. Mandita.
Mandida Sripadambuja.
No, you need more practice, sir. Okay. Still wrong. Satish Kumar ji. Same shloka.
Namaskara, Mohoday.
सिञ्जानमणि मञ्जीर मण्डित श्रीपदाम्बुजा मराली मन्दगमना महालावण्य सेवदिः.
Okay, both the places Shri and Dhi. Okay, they are corrected to be correct.
Namaskara.
Let us move on to the next shloka. Let me call Nilekha, na? Nilekha. Sorry if I'm calling your name wrongly, please don't mind.
Ram.
Ram. Is it Dirgha or Rasva?
What is that?
Nilekha or Nilekha? What is your name?
Nilekha.
Nilekha only? Okay, fine. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, 21st shloka.
सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा.
Very good. Vallabha.
Vallabha.
Open the mouth and say not no. Vallabha.
Okay. Vallabha.
Well, correct.
Ram.
And those whose chants are done, please down your hands, okay? All hands, because I'll get confused. You can lower your hands. Okay, then we will call Shivam. Anaghaji. 21st shloka.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, beta.
सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा.
Very beautiful, very nice, so nice. Good to hear you. Jai Shankarji, next shloka, Sumeru.
Ram Mhoday. Sumeru Madhya Shringastha Shriman-Nagaranayika Chintamani Grihantastha Pancha-Brahmasanasthita.
Almost perfect. Pancha-Brahma. Okay? That place you need.
Pancha-Brahmasanasthita.
Correct. Okay. Nice.
Dhanyavad.
Bhairaviji. Same shloka.
सुमेरु मध्य शृंगस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिंतामणि गृहांतस्था पंचब्रह्मासनस्थिता.
Perfect, very perfect. Grihantastha, not gru, but gr. Okay. Okay.
Thank
you. Praveena ji, next shloka.
Grihantastha. Mahapadmatavi samstha.
Whom did I call? Praveena ji. Yeah, she did come, I think. Okay. We'll call next one. Seturaman ji.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Praveena ji. Yes, please recite. Yeah.
Mahapadmatavi samstha Kadambavanavasini Sudasagara Madhyastha Kamakshi Kamadayini.
Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 places to tell you. One is, it's okay. Padma people say, but better I'll tell you something for improvement. It's not okay, Padma, but it is Padma.
Padma.
Okay? Not Padma. Don't give lot of vowel there. Say Padma. Okay.
Padma.
Yes, correct. Then all the Mahapranas. Samstha, Sudha, Madhyastha. Okay. Lot of breath is needed.
Dhanyavad, Bhagini.
Shubhastu. Yeah. Next, Seturamanji, your turn. Same shloka.
Ram.
Ram.
Mahapadmatavi samstha Kadambavanavasini
सुधासागर मध्यस्थ कामाक्षी कामदायिनी.
The came good, so I think you can correct all the others yourself. So your dha is good. Madhyastha you said, but sta and this one, this place. All Mahapranas, please correct them. Then Yashaswini Tripathi. Bhagini, you can read the same shloka.
Ram madam.
Ram. Yeah.
महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागर मध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी.
Very good, correct. Madhyastha, ya should be stronger. You said madhyastha. The ya did not get the full place. Okay, so correct them.
Madhyastha.
Okay,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Shubham ji, next shloka.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. देवर्षिगण संघात तस्तूया मानात्मवैभवा भंडासुरवधोद्युक्त शक्तिसेना समन्विता.
प्लीज शक्ति नहीं है, ये शक्ति है. ठीक है, फिर से एक बार पढ़िए. संघाता पर रोकिए. ठीक है.
ओके मैम. देवर्षिगण संघात अस्तु संघात, उसके बाद मैम
संघात स्तूयमानात्म, कंटिन्यू आगे बढ़ाना है बस.
संघात स्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भंडासुरवधोद्युक्त शक्तिसेना समन्विता.
शक्ति सेना. ओके.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, क्योंकि आसक्ति में जो शक्ति है उधर चले जाएंगे नहीं तो. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
नेक्स्ट आशीष जी, सेम श्लोका प्लीज.
देवर्षिगण संघात स्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भंडासुरवधोद्युक्त शक्तिसेना समन्विता.
Very good, correct. Very nice. Then Rajendra ji, 25th Sampatkari.
राम.
राम.
संपत्करी समारूढ़ सिंदूर वज्र सेविता अश्वारूढ़ाधिष्ठिता अश्वकोटि
नहीं, बहुत गलतियां हैं. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस की आवश्यकता है. ठीक है, प्लीज प्रैक्टिस मोर.
ओके, थैंक यू.
हाँ, स्कंदन जी.
संपत्करी समारूढ़ सिंदूर वज्र सेविता.
नहीं, वज्र नहीं है. मैंने आपका नाम नहीं बुलाया, मैंने किसी और को बुलाया है. अभी आपको बुलाया था क्या? नहीं.
Namaste.
Yes. You are on the name of Skandan ji?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Yeah.
संपत्करी समारूढ़ सिंधुरव्रज सेविता अश्वारूढ़ाधिष्ठिता अश्वकोटिभिरावृता.
Very good. Bhiravrita, not vruta.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So then Shri Ram ji, 26th shloka.
राम.
Ram.
चक्रराजरथारूढ़ सर्वायुध परिष्कृता गेय चक्ररथारूढ़ मंत्रिणी परिसेविता.
Beautiful, very beautiful, correct.
राम.
Yashoda ji, next shloka.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Please, others unmute, quickly unmute. Please don't have to come back, like it's back and forth. It's very difficult to manage the list. It's a very big list. So please mute yourself once your turn is done.
गिरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिकाक्षिप्तवह्निप्राकार मध्यगा.
It is Vanhi Prakara. Okay.
Vanni
Prakara.
Vanni Prakara. Okay. Thank you. Hari Om.
Purna Chandraji. Purna Chandra Sridharji. Next shloka. 28.
Hello.
Please recite. Yeah, next 28th shloka.
Ram.
Ram.
भंड सैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्ति विक्रम हर्षित नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षण समुत्सुका.
Just here. Vadhodyukta. Okay, there a little mistake happened. Otherwise it was good. Astu. Good. Then the raised hands. Saki or Sakiji? 29th. Okay, not available. Sridhar. V. Sridharji.
Minute.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
I can hear you now.
भंडपुत्र वधोद्युक्त बाला विक्रमनंदिता मंत्रिणीयांभ विरचित विशंघवधतोषिता.
टेक्स्ट पढ़ने के लिए नहीं होता है. The text is not here to read. You have to learn the text and just take the help for visual effect. That's all. Visually, we should not miss things. Only it is aid for visual. The pronunciation should come from hearing more. Okay? Don't read. Never try to read. If you know, then only raise hands. Otherwise, it will be like wrong pronunciations will bring us a lot of difficulties. Okay? Learn it first.
Okay.
Then, Saki. Sakiya? Kar.
Sakhi.
Sakhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please read the same.
Ma'am, I am also new. Let me try, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Bandaputra vadhodyukta bala bhala vikramana nanditha mantrinyam bhavi rachita vishangavadha vadatoshita.
Okay. Practice for it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mamata Devi ji. Same shloka.
Namaskara Mohodaya.
Namaskara. Yeah.
Can you please read this shloka?
This one?
This one only.
Okay. Sure. Andaputra vadhodyukta bala vikramanandita mantrinyamba virachita vishanga vadatoshita.
Dhanyawada Mohodaya.
So we'll go to the next shloka for Mamata Devi ji. Mamata Devi ji, you are in unmute. Please recite 30th shloka.
विस्कर्मानहरन्वाराहि वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा.
देखिए आपने hand raise किया है. You have raised your hands and be ready for recitation. Please don't laugh in between. Kartikeyan ji, recite the same shloka, please.
Hello.
Hari Om. Yeah.
30th sloka na madam.
Yes.
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वर.
Very good. The sha should become stronger. Sorry for saying your name wrongly, Katyayani ji. I read your name wrongly because I was disturbed by the laugh. One should not laugh while reciting. It's the most wrong practice. We should be careful about Devi's names. We are reciting. Somebody tells your name wrongly. How do you feel? My name is Usha. If people call me Usa, how hurtful it would be for me to listen to that. We are saying Devi's names. We should say it with more like dedication. At least if we are saying wrong, we should be humble. We should be like, oh, I want to do it correctly. At least that feeling we have to show to Devi, isn't it? Everybody is doing it good. I'm not saying anything wrong about them, but even this 1 or 2 episodes will make all the class like, wrong. That's why. Astu Katyayani ji, good. So your sha should get stronger. Shri Ganeshwara. Okay.
Okay.
So, Sharad ji. Next shloka.
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्न यंत्र प्रहर्षिता भंडासुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी.
Okay, very good. Nice. Okay. So I think we have to stop here. It was a little delay from the our side because of some technical issues. So please don't mind today's class. Let us wind up here. I already took a little more time. We have to close at 8. That's why because we started late. I wanted to go a little beyond, but not more time is not possible from me. So please excuse me. And it was a wonderful session with you all. I'm very happy to meet with you. You're doing wonderful job by learning from the this institution, and we are all glad to extend our these teaching classes for the devotees. We are not thinking like you are students. You're all like Sanskrit pronunciation students. No, you're not pronunciation students or chanting students. You're all Devi's devotees. You're all saying like nice greetings. You are saying Ram Ram. You say Shrimatre Namaha. You say Namo Namaha. So all these make us like good, humble devotees. Okay, you're all making good team. Please learn well. All the best to you all. Shubhamastu. If you get a chance, we'll meet again. Okay, thanks to Sandhya Bhagini for giving me this chance. Shubhamastu.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice
Thank you.
slokas.
Thank you, Bhagini.